What makes a genius? An apple fell to the ground and Newton wondered, what made the apple drop? Einstein, Leonardo da Vinci, watched the world around and came up with theories and inventions that still blow our minds. Geniuses observe, think, create, test, and discover. The idea of education is to make children confident, skillful, and lifelong learners. To make them proficient in expression, self-belief, decision-making, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving. Prepare them for jobs of tomorrow that would require a lot more creative thinking than ever before. But children lose precious learning years memorizing theory and answers without understanding the concepts. Rote-based learning makes them dull. They lose creativity, focus, and interest in learning. RoboGenius Academy is an inspirational space to maximize your child's creativity and learning potential. We engage students with exciting, fun-filled, and engaging hands-on robotics and model-building activities. Children learn application of theoretical concepts of science, engineering, technology, maths, design, logic, programming, and computer science. And they learn to apply knowledge to build machines, mechanisms, robots, artificial intelligence tools through hands-on playful creating. Discover what works and what doesn't. They also acquire 21st century skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, analytical skills, scientific temperament, teamwork, innovation, collaboration, and confidence. They become confident, skillful lifelong learners for success in the dynamically changing world of tomorrow. Take advantage of RoboGenius classes online as well as from your home.